The former New Mexico State basketball player Deshawndre Washington is facing a number of felony charges tied to an alleged hazing incident from the 2022-2023 season. His trial begins Monday in Las Cruces. We talked with our legal expert John Day about what we can expect.
This kind of hazing, this kind of violence, this kind of sexual violence, what does it say about the New Mexico State, not only the athletic program, but the entire administration? Has enough been done to make sure this doesn't happen again? And
Deshawndre Washington's case bringing renewed attention to the allegations that engulfed NMSU's basketball program. Washington pleaded not guilty to criminal sexual contact and false imprisonment. The two other players facing charges in the case, Dr. Bradley and Kim Aiken Jr., took plea deals in return for their testimony at trial.
But it does culminate in a criminal trial. You know, this hazing, the entire hazing scandal was something that people in New Mexico have been watching very carefully. The allegations are just horrific, and it remains to be seen what a jury thinks about Washington's defense.
This will give the state witnesses firsthand knowledge, but according to KOAT legal expert John Day, it also gives Washington's defense a possible argument on their testimony.
It is going to come down to what jurors believe about the testimony and whether the testimony of the two former teammates of Washington's who got plea deals, they pled guilty, they admitted their guilt in this, they admitted that they're culpable. How is that going to play to a jury?
The criminal case is only one part of the scandal's fallout. Day says the case will revive questions about supervision and responsibility beyond the players directly involved.
One of the main issues here is accountability. What is the result of this hazing scandal on New Mexico State? I think the question in a lot of people's minds are, have enough people been held accountable? Is there enough house cleaning that's gone on? Is this symptomatic of a significant problem that's been swept under the rug, or are people taking it seriously?
The trial is expected to focus heavily on witness credibility, including testimony from Washington's former teammates. And once again, Washington is expected in court on Monday. KOAT will be following this case, and any updates will bring to you both on air and online at KOAT.com.